All right, are you guys ready for your final storyteller of the evening? Holly, get up here. Don't take it out of the stand, but stand close to the mic.
Hi. I would like to share with you a story from the early days of my marriage. At this point, we did not have very good communication skills or teamwork skills, so some of our fights could be epic. And on this particular night, things were building up for one of those epic fights. So I'm going to share with you the debacle of the DIY dishwasher disaster. Also at this time in our marriage, Carl had been laid off, and so we were really struggling to make ends meet. There was a commercial on TV about a woman who had a full iced birthday cake, which she would just gleefully drop into her dishwasher and press start. And everything came out spotless. As a first-time homeowner, I thought that's how dishwashers work. And you can imagine, long-term, that didn't go very well. And on this particular night, I looked down, and there's a puddle coming out from under the dishwasher. Carl, honey, I need your help in the kitchen. He came in, and he looked at this puddle. He swore. And then we decided to start talking about how we were going to fix it. The first thought was, let's get a new dishwasher. No money for a new dishwasher. So, dishwasher repairman. No, we don't have enough money for a dishwasher repairman either, which meant hand washing dishes. And that's when things started getting heated. Because I can demonstrate with a snowball and a blowtorch how often those dishes are going to get hand washed. And I am sad to say, I did not say very nice things to Carl. And he turned around and he went into his office. That was my cue that I had pushed things way too far. And it also meant that it was up to me to solve the problem. And so I had to resort to drastic measures. I looked at the internet and I found a way to fix a dishwasher. It was probably just a clogged hose. So armed with this knowledge and a screwdriver and nothing else, I crawled under the sink. I unscrewed the hose. Out pops the clog. Yay me! But it didn't stop there. All this dirty water kept gushing out. And some rotting food and more dirt, more water. And suddenly our kitchen is looking like a small ocean that maybe Noah would have been comfortable on. And Carl, honey, I really need your help, please. He comes out and he looks at this mess and he swears. And then he took the screwdriver from me and reattached the hose, while I started cleaning up the floor. And I started with a mop, and then I moved to towels, and then in desperation, I emptied the linen closet to get this mess cleaned up. Every blanket, every towel, everything, sheets, were all in the middle of our kitchen floor, and it actually looked pretty good when I was done, and it all moved into the laundry room. And we're so happy with each other that we worked together that we decided that we could splurge and go to dinner. He goes to clean up and takes a shower. I press start on the dishwasher, and a puddle starts coming out from underneath the dishwasher. I run back to the shower. Carl, it's leaking again. I don't know what to do. He swore. And then he said, Holly, please try to figure something out while I'm getting dressed, and then I'll come look at it. And I quickly learned that it's just the screws came loose. So I crawl under the sink and screw it back into place, and I hear, can you bring me a towel? We don't have any towels, Carl. He said, well, bring me something to clean off, to dry off with. I don't know, Carl, just figure it out. I'm working on the sink. And so I get done and I walk back to see what he's up to. And there Carl is standing in front of the mirror in the bathroom with a blow dryer, blow drying himself dry. I am happy to say that we've been married for 25 years, and we have gotten some better communication and teamwork skills. Thank you.
Keep it going for your last storyteller.